To you competitors that are involved in the Sir Peter Blake Regatta at the Torbay Boating Club this coming weekend, I hope you enjoy yourselves. I wish you every success. To the club, congratulations on bringing this regatta to fruition once again. It's recognised as being the biggest centreboard regatta in Australasia. We know that you run a tremendous event. I'd like to thank the volunteers, the organisers and the families for helping you all be here, and of course to those critical sponsors for your contribution. I hope you all have fun and I wish you every success.